carrot ginger soup. So good for you and easy to make. Equipment needed. Well, you can use your standard blender, but today I'm going to be using the IMMERSION blender. Ingredients needed: carrots, of course, yellow onions, ginger, salt, pepper, olive oil, orange juice, chicken stock, a sharp knife, and a peeler. With your ingredients together, we can start cooking. Over medium-high heat, add your oil, add your onions, your carrots, and your ginger. Allow them to cook. Allow them to soften. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Add your seasoning, salt and pepper. Then add your chicken stock. Now if you're a vegetarian, you can replace a vegetable stock. Add orange juice. Let the soup come to a boil, lower the heat, and simmer for 20 minutes. With the IMMERSION blender set on low, gently blend, then raise the speed. Blend until the soup is smooth and creamy. Put back on the heat for 3 or 4 minutes. Remember, carrots are high in potassium, high in vitamin A and C, and ginger is good for your digestive system. The soup is gluten-free and dairy-free. That's really good.